nga guys. Sasakay na kami sa may baggage.
The receipt niya? Long paper?
Oh, this one.
This one. Okay. From? Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Welcome to
Yeah.
Bali.
Thank you.
This is your return ticket when you coming back to the halfway from the big statue to the half the middle area.
Okay. Okay. We'll take one?
Yeah,
One each.
one by one for the transfer.
Thank you. Oh, we just go on this one? Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, so return ticket daw to guys. Pag hindi natin naintindihan, i-reply natin yung video.
Ay, ako sa back.
Ay, gusto ko sa back din.
No, actually, mainit so dito sa loob.
Ay, hindi. Dito lang din ako.
Bakit na sa back para yung video?
Oh, sige. Oh, sige, sa back tayo mo daw. Aray. Ay, very cutesy. Oh, Nicole. Oh, guys, hi kayo dyan.
Welcome back to our channel.
Very bumpy. May mga shops na medyo uphill. If gusto nyo mag-walking, pwedeng mag-walking. Ayan, if very active person kayo, you walk. Dito na ba? Okay, dito na po. Thank you! Ayaw nga! Hala! Hala! Okay, guys. Guys, come around, come around. We are here. Up the... Paano ba siya makita?
Ganun.
Ayan, guys. Okay. Ikot na tayo.
Akala ko pwede kang makiat all the way at the top.
Oo, pwede. Pero not... Guys, magbibideo lang kami banda dito. So, magta-transition.
Way off the rest.
Ay, sorry. Ay, sorry. Off the grass. Off the grass. Bawal daw umapak sa grass. Okay ba kayo, guys? Very mainit, pero pwede go. Chat.
Hindi ka kasi yan pa.
Ganun ka. Gagaling ka, oh. All around the world.
Ala ko ba ikaw mag-vlog? Ano nangyari?
Vlog takeover. Nicole's ano.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Oh, is it okay to take video? Oh, thank you. Yung tumaas, may bayad doon. Kung gusto nyo pa tumaas lalo. Pwede ba? No, magbabayad ka ulit. Pwede. Ay, hindi na. Oh, pwede mag-play. Mag-play sila ng music. Ano piniplay nila? Magaling. Sayo, Austin, oy. Sayo sa flute. Okay guys, tatry ni Nicole. Go! Gets ko na! Kapag di kayo natatay guys, inom lang kayo. Pag be, yung singit ko nag-init, buhatin niyo ako please. Sa labay. Hindi ko to lang maglakad. Varsity. Varsity player. Oh yeah, that's cute! Guys, we found this. Ang cute, oh. Kita ba? Guys, this is our vitamin D. So, we need to get most of
Extra
it.
vitamin D.
Kasi wala tayo dito. Ay, winter sa atin, so. Diba? Nature lover tayo, diba? Oh! Ay! Ala! Come here, come here. Come here, guys. Kailangan nyo mag-picture. Tingnan nyo.
And it's not like this.
I like this, guys. Kasi parang nag-workout na din tayo sa walk natin. So, if we eat a lot, doesn't matter kasi mag-walk tayo. Guys, we're going down the beach. We're going to swim. So, we're just walking down. Tapos na kami dun sa other spot na we went to. So, now we're going for a swim. kasi ng mga necklace. Ano ito, Mitch? Ito parang mas makapal. Ito mas... Pero kasha ba? How much is this one? 100 This one. Ano yung size nila? Meron ba siya? Do you guys have size for her one? For her. Do you have a black one? This one's very thin. Mas maganda tong blue. Okay. Yeah, this one's better. Okay, thank you. Hello, that's very cutesy. You wrap it around your waist. Oh, hindi na pala kami magbabargain. Okay na kami dun sa 10 bucks. What's that? This one we don't have smaller cash. Okay. 150. Okay. Sorry. Thank you. Akala ko kasi 500. You want plastic bag? Oo, para sa basa.
Yes, please.
Okay, one please. Okay, let's go. Oh, yung Jitsu live mo. Uy, okay na siya. Oh, we're all good now. Thank you.
That's bankrupt.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh. Also close. Ala.
Do you guys want to serve?
Hindi, no. No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Maybe not yet. I'll think about it. Gusto niyo ba matry?
Hindi ako. Wala lang. Go, be.
Oh, sorry.
Yan, may restaurant. Tamang-tamang.
Yes!
Pagawa na dito.
Nasa ibang bansa na tayo. Nasa ibang bansa talaga. Very mainit, guys. Saan? Hindi pa ba kayo na sobrang init?
Ay, nag tayo sa baba dun. Kasi,
May mga towel.
Hello.
Hello, guys. Mukha na kaming haggard.
Mabilis mo. Try ng short. Tingnan mo.
Oo nga.
Sana po ko ganyan din. Speaking.
Handok na ako for the sleeping person.
Ayun ang toilet.
Asan tayo mag-change?
Ayoko na.
Hindi, magpatuyo na lang tayo. Tinatamad ako.
tayo ulit. Kaya yung kuya natin. Ano kayo? Hindi, wala ako. Video ko lang to. Video ko tayo siguro. Sorry, accidental mo lang napindot yung video ko. Kainin na nga
Here's our snack after swimming. Pangpatawid gutom lang before dinner.
Yung liempo.